Welcome to my channel. Here I discuss Igbo politics, Igbo culture, Igbo tradition, issues relating to Igbos. Now, today's video is more like a reaction video. My video about Igbos not being from Israel is still generating some debates and comments. This video is to address some of the comments from the video, emanating from the video, especially to address a particular commenter or commentator, Jamaica Hebrew Israelite. I don't know the person's real name, but that's the name of the handle, Jamaica Hebrew Israelite. I don't know, but I don't know whether I should say misinformation or a certain kind of arrogance that comes from some, I don't know whether I should say Black Americans or even Igbos residing abroad, who think that they know Igbos, they know Igbo more than the Igbos. Let me read one of his comments. We are already teaching you and Igbos where your traditions come from, as you do not know where your miseries come from. And since many Igbos are also among Jews and Israelites in our countries, it is our duty to find them and train them in righteousness according to Jehovah. This is insulting. I repeat, this is insulting. You are finding who? Did we tell you that we are lost? We are not lost. In that first video, I told you that we have been living in this rainforest. Our ancestors have been living in this rainforest more than 7,000 to 10,000 years. We are not a lost tribe. We are not a lost tribe. If anybody is lost, I think it's this person who made this comment that is lost. You're already teaching you and Igbos where your traditions come from. How can you teach someone where he or she comes from? You can only teach a lost person. Igbos are not lost. Igbos are not lost. We are not like blacks who are living in diaspora, blacks in diaspora. We are not like some of our brothers who are sold into slavery, who are trying to trace back their roots. We are not tracing any roots. We are not lost. For example, we are making this video. It's known as Mpoka. My father lived in this compound. His father lived somewhere close. His great-grandfather lived just here. So was the grandparents, the ancestors. So we are not lost. It's a shame that this person is making this kind of statement. You are teaching us our traditions. How dare you? What do you know about Igbo tradition? Do you think it's from what you read in the book or what you watch from Discovery Channel? Igbo tradition can only be learned through practice. It's not from what you read from books. It's not what you go to library to research. Even I that is trying to explain some certain aspect of Igbo traditions, that you watch my video does not make you understand Igbo tradition till you start practicing it. Now, what I find more insulting was this particular commentator also trying to tell me the meaning of my own name. That Tobe is Hebrew in origin. I do not need to look for the meaning of my name in Hebrew. I know how to speak Igbo. The meaning of my name is self-explanatory to any Igbo person, anybody that understands Igbo. I responded to this particular person. I told the person that Tobe means to praise. You are telling me that my name means Tobias. Who the hell is Tobias? My name is Tobe. The full name is Tobenna, Tobechuku. If you go with Tobenna, it means, I told you, it means praise to the Father. If you want to go with Tobechuku, it means praise to the Creator. So how can you tell me that you know the meaning of my own name more than my own self? Is that not insulting? I think we all need to retrace our steps. This arrogance needs to stop. Now, Tobias is Greek form of Hebrew. Tobiah meaning God whatever. Now my surname is from the 10 northern tribes, a variation of Oshia, and Hebrew name Humri. Oh my God, this is insanity. I wonder who died and made you the demystifier of names. To speak the authority in the etymology of Igbo surnames. These are not straight jacket as you may want to think. Now the person is now telling me, preaching to me, that we follow Jehovah and Jesus Christ is our King. Igbos are not Christians. I need you to understand this. I'm going to do a video that will deal on that. Igbos are not Christians. Christians colonize Igbos, does not make Igbos Christians. Everybody is free to follow whoever what you want. One of the core human rights, according to UN Charter, is freedom of religion, freedom of association. You are free to follow who you want to follow. But don't say that Igbos, that try to link Jehovah to Igbos. No. Or Jesus Christ is your king. Jesus Christ can be your king. He's not the king of Igbos. Igbos don't know who Jesus Christ is. And the person went on to say, we win thousands of battles and have the best countries on earth. Igbos are Israelites, who some are idolaters. That many follow Christ and they are blessed. Then the heathens target them. The Igbos who you call heathens or pagans are the most liberal-minded people. Open-minded. If you see any compound where the patriarch is into Igbo Menana or Igbo Ordinana, you will always see Christians in that compound. Maybe his wife or some of his children, or uncles or relations or brothers or sisters. But you hardly find any compound where the patriarch is a Christian, as in Igbo, where the patriarch is a Christian Igbo. And you will see someone who wants to follow the indigenous religion. You see the person have peace of mind. No. It is a rare occurrence. I'm sorry to say this, but so many Igbos who are Christians are not liberal-minded. They condemn a lot. They're intolerant. So don't tell us about Christ. And don't try to impose Christ on Igbos. I'm trying to address this person once and for all. I will keep saying it. Igbos are Igbos. It's wrong for you to come to my channel and start trying to forcefully tie me to another race. We have enough problems going on here already. Please, we all should be careful. Igbos are Igbos. Don't feel you know Igbos more than us. And don't try to say that, my name is Tobias, or that my surname Osigwe means Osiris, or whatever things you are trying to concoct. I'm not going to take that lightly. Thank you.
If you love the video you will just watch, please like and subscribe, and also share the video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you love it. Thank you.